Let's have a look at the 10 best AI test automation tools for this year. We're seeing that AI in testing is already mature and can actually be useful. It might seem obvious, but the goal of AI should be to simplify our work, not to make it more complicated. When reviewing the tools, we took a lot of things into consideration. Our expectations were for the tools to go beyond just AI test creation, to be full end-to-end test automation platforms, and to use AI in the places where it truly makes a difference. And here's a sneak preview of the final ranking. Endtest takes first place, being the most powerful end-to-end AI test automation tool from that list, and the easiest to use. Mabl lands on second place, having some good features and strengths. Third place is taken by Applitools, which has expanded beyond visual testing in the last few years. Katalon is on fourth place due to its own set of advantages. On fifth place, we have ACCELQ. On sixth place, we have Functionize, which is actually very similar to Mabl, but comes with more friction. Testim is on seventh place. While it's still a good tool, it failed to keep up with its main competitors in the last 3 years. On eighth place, we have TestMu, formerly known as LambdaTest, who recently pivoted from being a classic cross-browser cloud to more of an AI tool. Next comes BlinqIO, a tool that provides a hybrid approach. And on 10th place, we have Parasoft, which is a good fit for legacy systems where an agile approach might not work. As mentioned at the start of the video, a good AI test automation tool should make it easier to automate tests while still being able to handle the most complex scenarios. And that's it for this video.